set to go here then at Whilton Mill. The start of round 10 of the Whilton Mill CART CLUB Championships for 2019. Our Honda Cadets and their first heat is away and running. Pretty good start from the front of the field. Apologies, one of our cameras is down at the moment as they stream through Oblivion for the first time and run up to Christmas Corner. Very close battle for the lead there. Looks like number 74 is going up the inside. That's Joshua Camp, but round the outside, 87, Alfie Thompson. Brilliant start for Alfie there as the 30-plus field winds its way through. The problem there for the number 46, Liam Dorman, towards the back of the field as they came through Christmas Corner down into Ashby. Downhill braking, very tricky on a day like today. Looks dry down there, but still not a lot of grip for the drivers. 3 wide into the first part of Parker's. Oh, there's a spin and a big hit there. The number 72 was involved and the 13, the 72 being Joe Cheek, of course, and the 13 of Jahan Kalishan. So 2 regular runners in the top 10 of the championship at this stage of the season in trouble there on lap 1 of heat 1. 7 minutes plus 1 lap, remember, warning out there for Oliver Brockhock in the number 53, but it's a clear lead at the moment for Alfie Thompson from third on the grid. Got a really good start, went round the outside into Christmas Corner. Here's the number 35 looking up the inside, that's Max Cuthbert, who started on row 2, starting to fight back there, and that's a good move on Shan Mugavel. 5th place for Cuthbert then. There's number 7, Jaydan GREGG. As expected, coming through the field already, he's had a very strong season. Ran very strongly last weekend when the Hondas were here for the final round of their British Championships. Jaydan GREGG finished 8th and 5th in the 2 finals that we saw here last weekend. Oh, big clout to the curb there by Alfie Thompson, who just about kept that all together. Of course, that large curb on the inside. Experience, you don't want to be hitting that one too regularly, but Alfie Thompson leads at the end of lap 2 by almost a second and a half over Joshua Camp. Jaydan GREGG coming through the field, and number 35 and Max Cuthbert fighting again, and great move again by Cuthbert. Really likes overtaking into Christmas Corner so far today, and he's nipped through, and I think that is for, I might be 4th place now, because yes, we got past Aras Mayauskis in the number 51. There's the number 97 of Sonny Mortensen, being forced out wide a little bit there, loses a couple of positions to Spencer Brockman in the number 11, and Ryutaro Sakai in the 44. Warning, contact warning for Devon Nolan in the number 54. So already a couple of our key runners doing very nicely here. Looks like the drive on the stuck on the outside of the toe of the boot. We'll try and track that in a moment. Great start, I've got to say. Just looking a little bit further down the order. 18th, Ronnie Coburn, the top novice at the moment, has had a flyer. He's now up to 17th place as well. Let's keep an eye out for him as the day goes along. Number 51 of Aras Mayauskis goes a little bit up the inside. Goes the number 22 on the 75. That's Morgan Hill coming through. So Morgan Hill leads a good day. There is your spinner. Looks like 24 and 34. It was the 24 of Mayan Patel. So unfortunately Patel has fallen down to last position. 28 at the inside for Jacob Gilman there. To Rosier's. Alfie Thompson out front looking very comfortable at this stage of proceedings. Fastest lap of the race has just gone in from Jaydan GREGG at 55.61, and that's a good bit quicker than his rivals further up the road. The gap to Joshua Camp is about half a second. Here's Mayauskis looking at the inside of Tumilty and goes through, but has a massive snap of oversteer on the exit of Christmas. And I think it was Spencer Brockman who took advantage of all of that and took 2 positions in the space of 1 corner. And now here comes Sakai as well in the number 44 machine in the pink helmet. Good moves here being done by our key championship runners. As of the circuit there is Patel in the number 24, so a problem there on the novices kart. Less than 2.5 minutes of this one to go. She goes over to Patel just to check that he's okay. Might be a mechanical issue. That is there. fastest lap of the race has just gone in from Morgan Hill down in 12th place, making good progress from the back of the field. Change for second place. Jaydan GREGG is now ahead of Joshua Camp, and as expected is absolutely flying at this stage of the race. We've not seen Jaydan GREGG here throughout the season, but when we have seen him, he's been very quick. He was the winner of round number 5 and has taken 3 heats so far this season. Could he be on his way to his 4th move there, or battle going on between Devon NOLAN, number 54, and Ryutaro SAKAI? The number 12 of Lewis ISLIN pulling his way through the field, so it's all the usual favourites coming to the fore in this race. There's Patel continuing to have issues with his car. Looks like he's well and truly out of this race. Jaydan GREGG sets the fastest lap of the race, 55.21, but that's been snatched away from him by Devon NOLAN with a 54.96, so Devon the first driver into the sub-55s so far in racing conditions here today. The gap is coming down for the lead. Here we're looking at a battle over 8th place. Good drive there from Jacob GILLMAN, getting a little bit of help, I think, from Morgan Hill just behind to get past Oscar Tumulty, and they do indeed both get past Oscar there, so that's them up to 8th and 9th places respectively. Aras Leowski's not too far behind. Max CUTHBERT as well, he's just slipped down a little bit over the second half of the course of this race. Keeping an eye on this lead battle, or what could be a developing battle. 1.32 seconds was the lead gap last time around, but a very quick sector number 2 from Jaydan GREGG. As where are they? Just come over start finish now. The gap is down to 0.93 of a second, and there will be 2 more laps to go. They cross the line just before, well, around 20 seconds to go, so time will expire on this lap. There is your leader, Alfie Thompson, being closed in now. Point of about half a second on lap by Jaydan GREGG, winner of round number 5. The Whilton Mill CART CLUB. There's a driver off, it's the number 85, one of the novices down at Ashby, polished from 95. It's Leo Billingham Ross there, just waiting for the correct opportunity to hold himself back in the circuit. Perfectly okay. Devon NOLAN still getting very quickly. He's in 4th place, 54.74. What's been a pulsating first race of the day on the cadets. Just what we look to see, what we expect from our Hondas. Oh, look, actually 2 cars off there. The number 43 was potentially one of them, which will be Oliver Gallard. And we are on the last lap now. Another half second gone for the leader. 0.47, and that's a lot less than 0.47 of a second. Jaydan GREGG is all over the rear bumper of Alfie Thompson now, and he knows he's going to have to go defensive into Ashby. Jaydan GREGG will try and go around the outside, look for the cutback on the exit of Ashby. Good defensive driving there from Alfie Thompson, looking for the first win of the day. Jaydan GREGG may go for it down into the inside into Osiers. Doesn't go for it. This may all come down to the boot. Down the back straight now. Jaydan GREGG goes to driver's right, tries to go around the outside of Alfie Thompson. Great defensive driving there from Alfie Thompson. Can he get it done round the toe of the boot? He'll go defensive again into Pitts Bend, over start finish, and it's going to be a drag race to the line, but I think Alfie Thompson holds on. Yes, he does. Really good win that for Alfie Thompson from P3 on the grid, and to resist a lot of pressure there from Jaydan GREGG, and he wins by 0.07 of a second.